As hard as it is to live through times of great uncertainty and change, there are also periods of enormous potential for transformation, self discovery, and personal growth. I'm Mark Matousek, and I'd like to invite you to my one day workshop in London on May 31st called Thriving on the Path of Uncertainty. We're going to be spending the day together using my Writing to Awaken method to uncover patterns, beliefs, biases, blind spots that hold us back in our own flourishing. In order to tap into our deep resilience, we need to be clear on where we are blocked, holding ourselves back, deluding ourselves, or following obsolete narratives that no longer serve us. I'll be guiding you through a series of writing practices that are designed to reveal the insight that is already inside you, using your witness awareness, this observing faculty in the mind that is far wiser and deeper and braver than you may be aware of. I hope so much that you'll be able to join me. At times like these, we need all the strength and clarity that we can get, and that's the objective of our day together. I'll see you on May 31st in London for Thriving on the Path of Uncertainty. Thanks so much. Bye bye.